Hello everyone, my name is Bhumit Sagatia from College Dunia. Today I am at Sankalchand Patel College of Engineering, Visnagar, Gujarat. Today we are having with Dr. Mohammad Indris sir. He is a Dean Faculty of Computer Science and also Associate Professor and Head in MCS Department. Hello sir, welcome to our Education Portal College Dunia.
Thank you.
So start with the interview sir. My first question is, how does the curriculum of Sankalchand Patel College of Engineering ensure the best practice of industry?
Yeah, very good question. As far as the curriculum of Sankalchand Patel University, specifically for the Master of Computer Application, is basically set with the industry prescriptive areas that we have planned our syllabus, we have designed our syllabus in our board of studies meeting with the industry faculty as well as the industry expert. We have taken the very experienced faculty member from various institutes as a part of the board of studies members, and we have taken the higher suggestions from the other technical persons also to design the syllabus. As far as the MC syllabus are concerned, it is totally based on the elective. Once the students are going to select the particular subject, as far as the computer science subjects are concerned, I must take the example of Java programming language. Suppose the students are supposed to select the programming in Java, then throughout the MCA journey, he or she has to take the Java subject as a key subject area, and then the next semester the advanced Java subjects are there, and into next semester the concern with the Java language programming Android Pro subject is there. So based on the choice selection by the students, we are supposed to plan and design certain kinds of syllabus so that once the students are getting passed from the institute, he or she can easily get whatever the subject that they are told as an expert subject, so that he or she cannot have any kinds of difficulty regarding his or her placement.
Very nicely explained about your curriculum, sir. So on that note, my next question is, what do you think should be the college's top priority over the next 10 years?
Our college and departmental first priority is to on the research area. We are hiring particular students in the PhD. We are running in the Faculty of Computer Science. Our PhD program is there. Our more focus on that in a computer science field. We are focused on the research area. Our current students, we are also focused the new technology. You just take the knowledge of the new technology which is coming into the market and get the knowledge. Also, we are arranging the webinars and presentations, and you can say the conference. We are inviting the expert lecture from the various companies, those who are working in a very reputed company, so that the performance of our student regarding to the research area can be improved as far as the current situations are concerned.
Very nicely explained, sir. So on that note, my next question is, what would you like people to know about your college they may not know?
Okay, as I have explained that our good and academically we have a very sound people. We have the faculty, well experienced faculty, with the PhD holder faculties are there. All the faculties, those who are working over here, have more than the 15 plus years of experience. They can share their knowledge with the student, as well as they have the expertise in the subject that they have taught to the students. And I assure you that whatever the students, those who are getting admission over here, will get definitely very fruitful session from our faculty's member with their respective knowledge of subject and core subject area.
Very nicely explained, sir. So my next question is, what do you see as Sankalchand Patel College of Engineering's greatest strength?
As I know that the latest strength of Sankalchand Patel Universities, as well as the Sankalchand Patel College of Engineering and the department in MCA, great faculties are there. We have the research-oriented faculties are there, and the cooperative faculties are there, and also we are providing various MOUs to the students for their bright futures, as well as we have forming the particular industry development cell for to inviting the various companies people from our institute and to gain the knowledge, and we take the suggestion from the various companies people to gain and increase the fundamental of our syllabus as far as the computer science fields are concerned.
Very nicely explained, sir. So jumping to the last question, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth, sir?
Yeah, it's a very good question. I think my suggestion is to current youth is that as far as my research area is concerned, I have done my research in PhD in big data, and I have done the analysis of social media. And in the respect to the analysis of this my PhD studies, I have found that the 75% of Indian youth are wasting their time by using the social medias and other media platforms. I humbly request all the students those who are using social media is very good for your knowledge gaining, but to use maximum of social media is ruin yourself and your career also. So my humbly request to all the students those who are using the social media, that is okay. Up to some extent it is okay, but don't put this thing as an whole day you are spending your time. You are just wasting your time to using such kinds of social medias. Social medias are important for gaining your knowledge, but my personal request to all the students that you just focus on the particular area that you are studying is only for the entertainment. 1 or 2 hours is enough for sparing your time with the social media. So this is my humble request to all the students those who are seeing my video, and my message to all of them those who are listening this.
Very well said, sir. So thank you so much for being part of College Dunia, sir, and thank you so much, sir, for giving such informative information about your college and department, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for your time.